Okay, Mantis X, here you go. Verify your magazine battery pack is full. Not full, but 3 bars, 2 bars. This is the old one that the auto resetting trigger stopped working and the laser wouldn't go straight. This is the original. Let's see, the laser will come out. There you go, laser coming out. Here's the one that you sent me, the replacement, that now the back part here is loose. The resetting trigger is stuck in the lowered position. Laser works. I set it on. There you go. Lasers works. So stuck in the bottom position here. There you go.